Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday market webcast. All right, just a quick one. There will not be a webcast tomorrow. We will try to get a webcast out come Monday, Tuesday. I'm back at the desk Wednesday. The Bears have an opportunity here to test the 9-day. Ideally, the 9-day here being this blue line, ideally they should close below it. I'm going to get off the daily chart real quick because down at the 9-day, you've also got the weekly pivot. We've been talking about that for a couple of days. So it's been a pretty mundane overnight, 18 handles. You can see we're consolidating. But look, you had a little consolidation and the Bears won it. Little consolidation and the Bears won it. Little consolidation, if Bears can win it, should get down into there. Ideally for the Bears, a close below here puts them in a position where unless all of this is just a walk down into a higher low off of the jobs report that's going to ramp the market. But remember, only for 45 minutes. Friday is one of my favorite days. Jobs at 8:30, market closes at 9:15. It's a sprint. I love a good sprint. So, and then, then it's basically see you Monday. Where we close above or below these two lines really for me is what the whole day is about. So yesterday was probably the toughest day to trade. It was the most two-sided. It was the most choppy and whippy. I mean, we got a little bit going, a 20-handle runner. We made our day, but it certainly wasn't a blowout day. It was just a solid double-digit day. But what the Bears did do was what we talked about yesterday. It was a red day, right? It was a red day. It wasn't this catastrophic train wreck, Wile E. Coyote off a cliff, oh my God, heading down. That's where the Bears get themselves into trouble. And I know that it can be counterintuitive. But when the Bears get really slippery to the downside, it's very easy for longs just to come in and go, buy. And for weak shorts to go, oh, here we go again, and then they puke it. And off we go. That's how you get rejections. The Bears are far better off putting in a day like Tuesday and following up a little bit Wednesday. So flat Globex, bring it in a little bit. Maintain the day below the hourly midband. They're trying to get back below there. They do another regular session below the hourly midband. We spent the vast majority of yesterday below OPG. Just steady. If the short side can do that, then the long side will get concerned, because what you'll see is it'll just kind of then you're just basically you're a frog in a pot of boiling water, and all of a sudden you're cooked. Just a little bit here and a little bit here, and a little bit here, and all of a sudden, hey, we're back at the pre-FOMC. Hey, we're dealing with daily midband. Versus if it's some glorious drop, and I say that knowing tomorrow morning is jobs, and it's probably going to really move. These big glorious drops are very easy to buy. It's the steady ones those are the ones that frustrate the longs out of the tape. So the best thing that's happening for the shorts right now is the market's coming in, but it's not coming in hard. And what you'll see is inexperienced shorts or perma shorts or whatever you want to call them, they get very frustrated when it just doesn't come in enough. But what they don't understand, or they don't want to understand, is that's how you end up getting screwed. It's like 10 minutes of excitement for 10 days of basically, fighting price as it heads back to the upside. So one step at a time. First step, 9-day, and the weekly pivot. All right, so hourly midband, 41.12. Volume weighted average price, call it 41.14. 13.14 was a big deal yesterday. I've got the 5-minute midband and our proprietary moving average sitting at 15.5 going on 16. We really haven't done much. You got an 0.5 quarter overnight low and a 23.5 overnight high. It's all right in this zone. Door number 3, nobody ever wants door number 3. Door number 3 is we just stay on a shelf here into jobs tomorrow. And then we have 45 minutes of fireworks and shut it down. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care. Happy Passover to all who celebrate. And I will check out everybody. Again, no webcast tomorrow. Back at you Monday morning. Take care.